We got a 1934 and 5-window coupe. It's got the Christmas lights on it already. Blue. Just as easy as a reindeer. And you know what? I like these front fenders too, man. You can drive this thing and you drive it in the mud and you won't have to worry about getting muddy all over the rest of the car. It's got fenders on it. You got the little turn signals tucked in there. Makes it all legal. This thing would be legal everywhere with these fenders and shit. You got a wiper on it and everything. Probably even has a horn, but you don't need with the loud pipes. Oh, look at that cool ass shifter, man. Holy smokes. Notice the hot rod shop. This is a real pro street rod, man, all the way. God damn. Huh. This is an ideal buggy. What was it? Why can't they make these again like this? Not that emissions crap. This is a really professionally put together ride, man. God. I'm not sure what that little LED thing is there. It's you got the tack on there and stuff. Heat. I ain't got heat. Hey, you know what? That's what you really need. You need the heat. You need a roll-out window for air conditioning, which it's got. You can roll out that window, open it up, you know. You don't need damn air conditioning if you got some windows like that. Got your 4-speed. Put some really good snow tires on this sucker, man. You'd be freaking hauling, baby. And look at the air cleaners too. This ride is probably winning some shows. I'll guarantee you. I mean, maybe not. I don't. It's hard to say who wins these shows because you know they're not judged by professionals, they're judged by just regular people, you know. But you got your piston air cleaners on there. I never saw those before, man. I saw those on a motorcycle, I think, but never on a car. Yeah, right. So just kick some butt here for sure, man. This is a real over-the-top ride for sure.